In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Lottie animation into your project using Lovable AI on Chrome. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their project with vibrant animated visuals that can bring a whole new level of dynamism and engagement to your presentations or applications. So let's get started. First, let's open up Lovable AI in your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic happens. So once you're logged into your account, the first thing you'll want to do is access your specific project. This can usually be found right on your dashboard, and depending on how many projects you're handling, you might see a list of them. Just click on the one you're working on, and that will take you to the project's main workspace. Within your project's interface, navigate to the media or animation section. You may notice that Lovable AI is quite intuitive, but finding this section is key, because this is where you'll manage all of your media files, including animations. You'll likely find it on the left panel or top navigation bar, depending on the version you have. Now, once you're in the media or animation section, it's time to bring in your Lottie file. Look for the import button. It should be fairly prominent, inviting you to add new files to your repository. Click on import, and then you'll be prompted to select the Lottie JSON animation file from your computer. Lottie files are fantastic for their lightweight nature and high quality animations, so make sure you've got the right file ready. When you've selected your file, upload it, and you'll want to wait for a confirmation that the file has been successfully uploaded. This usually doesn't take long, but do keep an eye out for any error messages just in case something goes awry during the upload. With your animation successfully uploaded, the next step is to integrate it into your project. Simply drag and drop the Lottie animation into your project canvas or the designated area where you'd like your animation to appear. You'll be able to position it precisely where it fits best with your design intentions. Once the animation is in place, take advantage of the flexibility provided by Lovable AI to adjust the size and playback settings. You can scale the animation up or down to suit your design requirements and configure playback settings to make sure that the animation plays exactly how you envisioned, whether it loops continuously or plays once on command. And that's it! You've now successfully imported a Lottie animation into your project using Lovable AI. Be sure to save your work and preview it to ensure everything is flowing beautifully. By following these steps, you've added a professional touch to your project, elevating it with an interactive and modern aesthetic. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!